Hi, I'm the Tax Geek, with more of your taxes oversimplified. Today we ask the question, what happened to my refund? You waited a long time for your refund, and now several months later, instead of your refund, you get one of these. This is a CP11 notice. And you say, wait, I was due a refund, and now I owe money? What the fudge happened? What happened was that the IRS checked the Recovery Rebate Credit you claimed on your tax return with the actual stimulus payments they sent you. If the credit they calculated is less than the credit you claimed, one of three things can happen. Your refund could be reduced, your balance due could be increased. If you've already paid your balance due on your filed return, you'll be asked to pay more. Or, in what's possibly the worst case scenario, your expected refund could become a balance due. So you may say to yourself, how the fudge did this happen? When you prepared your taxes, whether you used a computer or a professional preparer, you were asked this question. Did you receive your April 2020 and January 2021 stimulus payments in full? If not, how much did you receive and when? So let's say you couldn't remember and you said that you didn't receive your stimulus payments. The result of this would have been a Recovery Rebate Credit of at least $1,800 on line 30 of your Form 1040, which would act just like a payment against your tax liability, either increasing your refund or reducing your balance due. When the IRS received your refund claiming a Recovery Rebate Credit, they checked the credit against the stimulus payments they actually sent you. In this case, it turned out that they did send you checks for $1,200 in April 2020 and $600 in January of 2021. Let's say that without the Recovery Rebate Credit, you would have had a balance due on your return of $750, but with the credit, you were due a refund of $1,050. After the recalculation reduces your Recovery Rebate Credit to zero, you would go back to having the $750 balance due again. Sorry. So let's take a look at the CP11 notice and try to see if we can make any sense of it. Here, on page 1, you'll find the amount due and a brief explanation of why the return was adjusted. In the billing summary, the first line shows the total tax you owed. This would have been from line 24 of Form 1040. The next line shows payments you made. This is the total of any withholdings, estimated payments, refundable credits such as the Earned Income Credit, and any balance due payments you made up to the issuance of the notice. Finally, we come to interest. Anytime you owe the IRS money, interest will accrue on that amount from the date the tax return was due, which in this case is May 15th, 2021. This line will not appear on the notice if your refund is merely being reduced. Also not appearing on the notice if your refund is being reduced is a payment coupon with which to send the amount due. In several places on the notice, the IRS will give detailed payment instructions, and I shall repeat them. If you mail a check or money order to the IRS, you must put the following information on it: your Social Security number, the tax year, and the form number. Failure to do so may result in your payment not being credited properly. You are highly encouraged in both the notice and by me to make any payments to the IRS online. It is quick, easy, accurate, and secure. You just need to go to irs.gov and click the Make a Payment button and follow the instructions from there. There will be other options listed on the notice if you can't pay right away. If you disagree with the IRS, unfortunately the only way to resolve it is by calling the number on the notice. Before you call, go online to irs.gov and either create or log into your online services account, where you can see the amount of the stimulus payments you were sent. Compare them against your bank account records. You will almost always find you were sent the amount the IRS said they did. If you still believe the IRS is incorrect, be prepared for a long phone call where you will be asked to provide proof you did not receive the payments. On page 3 of the notice, there will be a more detailed explanation of the changes to your return the IRS made, which in this case indicates your Recovery Rebate Credit was reduced. A number of reasons are given for this, and the most likely one is that there was an error in computation. Let's take a look at the bottom of page 3, where you'll find a line called Payments and Credits, which will show you how much income tax was withheld plus any estimated payments. Other payments are usually payments you have made on the original balance due since the return was filed. On the Other Credits line should be the actual recovery rebate credit you should have received, plus any other refundable credits such as Earned Income Credit or American Opportunity Credit. If you subtract any of these credits from the amount on this line and then subtract that amount from the recovery rebate credit you claimed, you should get the amount due on the notice less any interest. I sincerely hope this video helped explain your CP11 notice to you. Of course, these notices are sent out for many other calculation errors as well, and there are many other reasons why a refund can be reduced. As always, resources and additional information can be found in the video description. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Please share this video with anyone who would find it useful. Please direct any questions, comments, or suggestions to the comment space below. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon with more of your taxes oversimplified.